guys, so tonight I am going to make a really interesting pizza, and this pizza consists of fig jam and goat cheese, some prosciutto, and baby arugula. I happen to love baby arugula. I know that you have to have an acquired taste for it, but yes, I love it. So I'm going to show you how I put this all together. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 425. That's what it says in the back of these pizza crusts. So step one is going to be, I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil onto this pan. And then with this paper towel, I am going to spread it around. So I am making other pizzas. This is going to be mine, and this is the one that's going to have the arugula and the fig jam and the prosciutto and the goat cheese. And then the rest of my family, which are my boys, and my husband and my two boys, want just a regular cheese and tomato sauce on top. So let's do this one first. So here's the fig jam. I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir. And then I'm going to pour some on top of the crust. And we're going to spread it. Just like that. Next, so here is the cheese that I am using, and as you can see, I've already coated some of the pizza. So let's add a little more and make it really, really cheesy and delicious. Now these pizzas are going to go into the oven at 425 for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I will be back to show you how I finish off the fig, prosciutto, and goat cheese pizza. See you in 10. Now we taste. My God, I love this pizza so much. Although I'm not crazy about the crust. I should have used a different crust. Still good. The flavors are really, really good. Joey's down here hoping something falls. Alrighty guys, that's gonna end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.